What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have the 7 Rhymes iRay DW30 2.4 dual channel onboard recording wireless mic. There's what's in the package there. Let's turn it over, give you some specs. It's got 8 GB internal memory. That's very good. It's got all kind of good stuff going on there. You can pause and read if you like, but we'll go ahead and get into the box and show you how they package it up. Alright, removing the front cover, you're presented with a black box. You can already know that the microphones are probably in there. There's how you charge it or plug the cord into it. Set that aside. They give you a package here. I like how it's packaged up. This looks like it's going to be some instructions in this box here. Let's see, working with one hand here, so bear with me. Exactly what we got in there. I'll have some instructions. Okay, so read them because I'm sure there's a lot that you're going to need to understand. Then you have a package here in the back. Let's set that aside. See what we have here. All kind of goodies. So, okay, that's going to be a dead cat, or dead, whatever they call it, that you put on your mic for the sound. It's going to be another one of them because there's 2 mics in there. You have a lavalier mic. You have a set of cables there. Looks like USB to USB-C, or yep, looks like a variety of cables in there. For you can hook these to the iPhone, tablets, to whatever. They hook up to everything. Another lavalier mic, and then we have 2 cables for connecting the mics. Okay, not bad. And some Skittles. They're down in there. Sorry for the movement of the camera. Skittles. I should have done my tripod and set everything up. But anyway, bear with it if you want to watch it. If not, click the exit button. So here it is, 7 Rhymes. Let me go ahead and pop it open there. Check out that. Laid in the case very nicely. This is your receiver. And as you see, it's got right here, so none of the charging ports working yet. It's all magnetic, as you can see. Here's the transmitter. Same thing. All magnetic. And that's where the dead cat, I call it dead cat or whatever, would go in there, whatever you might call it. I might be thinking of drones. So anyway, we'll go ahead and stay tuned to the channel, and we'll do a test on these guys to see. You can notice it's RX, TX. I don't think you can misplace those, how to put them in there, but these are pretty impressive. Not quite sure what I'll use them on, but I got sent them for review. So you got your power button, your mute, and then as for USB, because like I said, you can hook these to your smartphone, your tablet, your computer, pretty much anything. I know DJI has their system set, and there's another one out there, but check this thing out. It does pretty good. I watch reviews on it, and well, everything to give you in the box. I think it's fair for the price. We'll put a link in the description down below if you guys are interested into picking this up, and if this is what you're into and you need a wireless mic, check this out. This is very affordable compared to others. That much I can tell you. So yeah, we kind of have like stuff to review. But anyway, thank you guys for watching, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.